You ever get 30-year-old Japanese car dust in your eye, dude? Oh. Oh, it doesn't feel good. Holy shit. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Long story short, we have a new exhaust for the S13. These are the Injuku Racing ISR blast pipes, 3-inch for the 240. Basically my stock muffler, which I'm pretty much fine with how it looks and sounds. It sounds kind of weak, actually, but it has a hole rusted through the hanger and it's starting to scrape. So gonna go ahead and take it off and slap this baby on. You know, since I have the KA24DE, the truck engine, I think this will give it a nice little growl considering the rest of the exhaust is 100% stock. So I think this will be good. Hopefully it won't be too ridiculously loud, and yeah, it should be good. As you can see, this version has no muffler. It's just the two long blast pipes to a mid pipe, and that's it. It's probably gonna be kind of loud. Hopefully it won't be ridiculously raspy, but hey, you know, it is what it is. I don't know if this is high enough for me to actually get under it and do some shit, but I'm gonna hit all the nuts and bolts now to try and soak them, get them a little loose, and if I can get them off, I will. If not, I'll come back tomorrow. So let's see. So this is the problem that I needed to address. This hanger, this goes right on the muffler, and this hanger broke. The rubber polyurethane part actually still seems good, and these bolts are like, so does that mean these have are these original? They surely wouldn't look that good, right? Maybe they were replaced at some point, I'm not really sure. So well, today's definitely feeling like more of a fail, unfortunately. I just couldn't get enough leverage to get that bolt out of the hanger, and I don't have an impact. Let's go find whatever the fuck it's called. Alright, update time. The exhaust is now off after giving it a day of just, you know, soaking some WD-40, get the nuts loose. So now we are gonna test fit this. I don't know if I need to take the cat off. Where's the cat? But we're about to find out. I think I'm actually gonna start the car right now, just because I want to see what it sounds like with an open mid pipe. It's probably gonna sound like shit, but I'm curious, so let's do it. Well, it sounds like a truck. It sounds so bad. It sounds like every 240 that you hear at like high school car meets. It's awful. Holy shit. Alright, now let's lay this thing out and see if we can't get it fitted up. So if my calculations are correct, it looks like we will not be having to take off the catalytic converter. Everything seems to line up in the exact same spot, except for that. Don't know where that goes, but we'll figure it out. That's the point of all this. All right, so we got the mid pipe on pretty loosely. Now I just need to connect the blast pipe and we will be good. I can definitely tell on top right there is a bit of a gap. So again, that's why I have it loose, so I get everything all straightened out first, and then I will tighten it once we have it all together. All right, let's do the blast pipes now. All right, we are good to go. The exhaust is fully on. Looks great. Fitment is perfect. Exactly what I wanted. Looks kind of similar to OEM, but sticks out a little bit further. I actually thought I was going to stick out really far, so this is perfect. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and do the first start now. Okay, there is a large exhaust leak in the middle, so I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that. Alright, so what's going on, guys? If you can't tell, I have long hair and a beard now. It took me forever to get to finally editing this video, and I had to get one more clip that we're gonna film now, so I guess let's do that. So the exhaust has no leaks now. It's pretty good, pretty tame. It is loud. On full acceleration, it is very loud, and it sounds bad, honestly. I don't ever have to drive, or just like drive on full acceleration, so it's okay. But we're gonna do some sound now while we go find a place to park. Oh, I forgot to mention, it backfires if you accelerate and even tap the gas. One hair, it backfires like crazy. And this is a full stock system with just the ISR catback. Drive at probably one gear up than I normally would in like a newer manual car, just because, like I said, when you're flooring it, it's pretty bad. It's not too bad. Like, I don't feel like I need to change the exhaust, but it's pretty serious.
I don't know, that hurt.
Alright guys, so that's it. That's the ISR 3-inch blast pipes honestly a really good deal in my opinion. It sounds great. It has a ton of bangs and pops, which I don't really like, honestly. But I'm not gonna lie, it makes the KA sound a lot better and a lot crazier than it actually is. But yeah, you know, if you got 350 bucks, it's a great exhaust. I highly recommend it. It's good quality, and you know, that's it, I guess. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. I won't take 6 months to edit the next video next time, and I'll see you later. Thanks. Okay.
You came out and you stood in a different spot.
I don't care.
And it wasn't as cool looking.